Hello everyone, this is Mr. Ahmed Faidi, Manati Farouk Language School. Today, inshallah, I will help you to review your lesson. And our lesson today, lesson 4, angle bisectors and proportional parts. And this is part number 2. And today, inshallah, we'll talk about how to find the length of the interior and exterior bisectors of an angle of a triangle. So, first we study in triangle ABC. If AB bisect angle A internally, so AB is called interior bisector. So AB bisects angle A in triangle ABC internally. Okay, we want to find the length of AD, the interior bisector. So to find the length of AD, the interior bisector, we have a rule: AD equals square root side times side minus base times base. If you want to find the length of interior bisector, so we start with side times side, because side times side is the bigger, minus the product of side times side is the bigger than base times base. Okay, note that in figure opposite, AE bisects angle BAC externally and intersects BCFE. Then length of AE, if AE is the exterior bisector, then AE equal, we have a rule, square root base times base minus side times side. We start with base. Why? Because E is outside the triangle ABC, so the base BE times EC, the base BE times EC is bigger than AB times AC. So we'll start with the base BE times EC minus AB times AC. We have example. In each of the following figures, lengths are measured in centimeters. Calculate the value of x and the length of AD. The value of x resides in the last lesson, how to find the value of x. So we say that AD bisects angle A internally, hence AD bisects angle A internally, then AC over AB, AC over AB. I will start with AC. So CD over DB equals CD over DB. So AC equals X, AB equals 4, equals CD 4 over DB, which is 3. So X equal 4 multiplied by 4 divided by 3. So 4 times 4 will be 16 over 3. The length of X, 16 over 3. So if you want to find the length of AD intersect internally, so AD equals square root side times side minus base times base. So side times side, which is AC times AB, AC times AB, minus base times base, CD times DD. So square root ACX, which is 16 over 3, multiplied by AB, which is 4, minus CD times DB, which is 4 times 3. So we can calculate this value with calculator. So will be 2 root 21 over 3 centimeters. We have another example. We want also to find the length of X and AD. So since AD bisects angle A internally, then AD over AC equal, I start with side AB, so I will start with BD. So BD over DC. So AB equal X over AC equals 5 and BD 6 over DC 4. So X equal 6 multiplied by 5 divided by 4. So X equals 7.5 centimeters. So we want to find the length of AD. So AD bisect angle A internally. So AD equals square root. I will start with side times side. So I will start with AB times AC, which is 7.5 times 5 minus base times base, which is 6 times 4. So we can calculate this value with calculator. So will equal 3 root 6 over 2. 3 root 6 over 2 something. Another example. We have so angle BAD and angle CAD are equal, so DA bisects angle A internally. So since AD bisects angle A internally, therefore we want to find first the value of X, so I will take side over side, AC over AB. I start with AC, so I will start with CD over DB. CD over DB. So AC, which is X, over AB, which is 9, equals the CD 6 over DB, which is 7. So X equals 9 times 6 divided by 7. So it will be 54 over 7. 54 over 7 something. So if you want to find the value of AD, equal square root we'll start with side times side. 54 over 7, 54 over 7 multiplied by 9 minus 6 multiplied by 7, and you can calculate the value with calculator. So AD equals 8 root 21 over 7. Another example. In each of the following figures, lengths are measured in centimeter. Calculate the value of X and the length of AE. So we have EA bisects angle A externally. So since AC bisects angle A externally, then we can find the value of X with the previous lesson. We say AB over AC. I start with AB, so I will go from B to the point of division, which is E. BE and from E to the end point of BC, which is C. So BE over EC. So AB, which is x plus 5, over AC, which is 9, equals BE 4 plus 12, which is 16, over AC, which is 12. So x plus 5 will equal 9 by 16 divided by 12. So x plus 5 equal, so x plus 5 equals 12. So x equal 12 minus 5, so x equal 7. And this first requires the value of x. Then we want to find the length of AE. And we said AE is external bisector. So AE equal square root base times base minus side times side. So we'll start with BE times AC minus AB times AC. AB times AC. So will equal square root BE, which is 16, by AC, which is 12, minus side times side, we say that x equals 7, so AB equals 12 centimeter. So 16 by 12 minus 12 will be AE equal 2 root 21 centimeter. In this example, we want to find the value of x, and we want to find the value for the length of AE. So we have DA is interior bisector of A. So since AD is AD bisects angle A internally, and we have AD perpendicular to AE. AD perpendicular to AE. So we say it for if we have bisector and perpendicular, then EA is exterior bisector of angle A. Therefore, AE bisects angle A externally. Therefore, AB over AC equals BE over BE over EC. So AD equal 12 over AC equals 6 equals BE, which is x plus 1 plus 9, so will be x plus 10 over AC equals x plus 1. So we can make cross multiplication. So 12 multiplied by x plus 1 12 multiply x plus 1 equal 6 multiply x plus 10. So 12x plus 12 equals 6x plus 60. So we can get 6x to the other side with negative sign, and 12 to the other side with negative sign. So 12x minus 6x equals 60 minus 12. So 6x equals 60 minus. So 60 minus 12 equals 48. So x equal 48 divided by 6 will be 8. So we have AC, x plus 1, which is not 8 plus 1 will be 9. So x plus 1 equal 9. Then we want to find the length of AE. So AE equals square root BE time AC minus BA time AC. So BE will be 9 plus 9, 18 time AC 9 minus BA 12 multiplied by AC, which is 6. You can use calculator to find this value. So it will be 3 root 10 something. Thank you for your listening and see you later. So we have another example number 5. In figure object AD is a median in triangle ABC. Dx bisects angle ADB and intersect AB at x. dy bisects angle ABC and intersect AC at the point y. So that xy parallel to BC. Okay. To prove that xy parallel to BC, so we want to prove that the ratio between AX over XB equals AY over YC. So in triangle ADB, in triangle ADB, since dx bisects angle ADB internally, therefore ratio of AD over DB equals AX over XB, and this is number 1. And since or in triangle ADC, in triangle ADC, since dy bisects angle ADC internally, therefore AD over DC equals AY over YC, and since DB equals DC, because AD is a median, so we have DB equal DC. Therefore, we can replace DC with DB. So the ratio will be AD over DB equals AY over YC, and this is number 2. And from 1 and 2 we have, from 1 and 2 we have AD over DB is a common ratio. AD over DB is a common ratio. AD over DB is a common ratio. Therefore, AX over XB equals AY over YC. So XY is parallel to BC. Example 6. Prove that EF parallel to BC. So also if you want to prove that EF parallel to BC, So we want to prove AE over EB, the ratio between AE over EB equals the ratio between AF and FC, AF over FC. So, in triangle ACB, in triangle ACB, we have AC bisect angle ACB, or CE ray bisects angle ACB internally. So the ratio between AC over CB equals the ratio between AE over EB. And we have AC 4 plus 8. AC 4 plus 8 will be 12. And CB will be 6 equals AE over EB. So, therefore, AE over EB equals 2. And this is number 1. And we'll take the ratio between AF and FC. So, since AF over FC equals 8 over 4 will be 2. And this is number 2. So, from 1 and 2, therefore we have AE over EB equals AF over FC. Therefore, FE is parallel to CB. In this example, we want also to prove FE parallel to BC. Required to prove FE parallel to BC. And we have AD is median, so DB equals DC, and we have AB equals AD. AB equals AD. So we'll start in triangle ADB, in triangle ADB. Since DE bisects angle ABG internally, therefore AD over BG equals AE over EG, and this is number 1. And since we're in triangle ADC, we have FD or DF bisects angle ADC internally, therefore AD over DC equals AF over FC. And we have in given DB equal DC, so I will replace DC with DB, and AB equals AD. So I will replace AD with AB. So since DB equals DC and AB equals AD, therefore I will replace AD with AB and DC with DB. So AB over DB equals AF over FC, and this is number 2. So 1 or 2 we have a given ratio, a common ratio, which is AB over EB. This is common ratio in 1 and 2, since AB over dB is a common ratio Therefore, AE over ED equals AF over FC. So AF over FC equals AE over ED. Therefore, FE is parallel to CB or BC. Thank you for your listening and see you later.